Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another Ryobi unboxing and review video. Now unfortunately Ryobi hasn't contacted me or sponsored me yet, so I've got to keep spending my own money. And I went to the shops the other day and I saw this huge set here. It's a 151 piece drilling and driving set from Ryobi and it was $49.99. Now I did do an unboxing on my other set that I've got here, which is a 150 piece Ryobi bit set or driving set. And I did have, I think, one negative comment. Now I've been using this set and I have not had a single problem with it. I have been using this driver, Ryobi driver, and I did break another brand bit in this driver just recently. The bit that's in here now is a Ryobi bit, and the other bit that I broke, I won't say the brand, but it was a more expensive name brand and it broke, and I've replaced it with the Ryobi bit, which I've been using ever since for the exact same task without any problems at all. So I'm quite happy with the Ryobi bits. So let's just open it up and see what we've got in there. Okay, there's no other way of doing it other than to destroy the box. I hate destroying boxes, but it is what it is. Maybe I need sharper scissors. I think I need a better tool to get in there. Okay, I'm back. This might do the job. Don't try this at home, kids. Always cut away from yourself. Okay, here we go. We've got the first piece out of the packaging. I like these little boxes. This is one of the reasons I bought this set. Now these drill bits range from 1/16 to 1/4, and there's 14 of them, I believe. And it's in this nice little carry case. So let's put that aside and grab the next one. Now there's the next one. It's got various driving bits there, as you can see, and these actually flip up like that. So you can just take them out nice and easy. So we'll put that one aside and we'll grab the next one. Okay, and here's the next set that came with it. And these are high impact driver bits. So these are a little bit stronger. And they've also got some longer bits there as well, so these might come in handy. They claim a 3 times longer life because they're the high torque. They come in a black box as compared to the green box with a little green latch on there, and they just open up like that and snap shut. Ryobi writing on there, and that's it. There's the drill bit. So there's not much more I can say about these. You know, they look like reasonably good quality. I'm pretty happy with them, and for $50 I'm sure I will get a few years worth of good use out of these. Now if you enjoyed this quick little unboxing, give me a big thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave your question down below. I'll try and answer all questions to the best of my ability. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.